battalions made of words to guard you from the falling night. I sailed toward an island unheard, where no one says goodbye. I sent you armies carved in rhyme to keep disaster from your door, across the tides beyond all time. To silent shores I swore, an island crowned with 50 minds that never bargain fate. No meetings drawn in trembling lines, no farewells at the gate. Our love was lilies white and wide, and roses burning slow. We bartered thorns we kept inside, afraid to let them go. How many storms must flood the sky before we dare believe that under rain it's you and I, with nothing up our sleeve? To feel it through the open chest, not sparked by fleeting fire, not just a dream the dark confessed, but something climbing higher. 100 years we stood apart, planting separate fields, while time was breaking every heart. That distance never heals. The sand slips quietly below, the shoreline turns to clay, a whispered shot against the soul, soft tempo blown away. Lilies, roses, I never asked for beauty etched in pain, yet still the island slowly passed through thunder and through rain. I sent you legions made of words to shield you from the fall. I sailed to where no voice is heard, no partings there at all. If freedom means to let you choose the storm or open sea, then love is losing what I lose to keep your spirit free. Under the rain, beneath the sky, no chains between our hands. If we must bloom and we must die, we bloom where freedom stands. Not owned, not saved, not held in fear, but chosen, fierce and true. The island was not far nor near, it always lived in you. I sent battalions made of words across the endless blue. No farewells on